Skills and Math, Lesson 149. Let's start with just a few riddles, and then we'll jump right into math. Okay, here we go. Riddle number 1. I have 4 of them for you. I live in a pond. When I was very young, I was a tadpole. I rhyme with log. I am a... Number 2. I am an animal. I have a bushy tail. I climb trees and like to eat nuts. I rhyme with curl. I am a... Number 3. I have 13 red and white stripes and 50 white stars on a field of blue. I rhyme with sag. I'm the American... Last one, number 4. I have 5 wheels, but only 4 tires. You might ride in me to go to school, the store, or your grandma's house. I rhyme with far. I am a... That's all the riddles I have. Let's jump into math. Let's start by counting by 2s to 100. Ready? Begin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. All right, next up, let's do some addition facts. I've only taken out the ones that are not +0 or +1. Everything else. All right, here we go. Say them with me. Ready? Begin. 2 + 2 equals 3 + 2 equals 2 + 3 equals 4 + 2 equals 3 + 8 equals 2 + 4 equals 4 + 3 equals 3 + 4 equals 2 + 5 equals 3 + 3 equals 6 + 2 equals 5 + 2 equals 2 + 6 equals 5 + 3 equals... Last one. 4 + 4 equals... How are you doing with those? Are you doing well? Are you struggling with them? Hopefully you're able to keep up. All right, subtraction. I have quite a large pile of them, so I'm going to take some of them out. There we go, and that's what's left. If we're subtracting 1, -1, you get the number that comes before. If you subtract 0, the answer is the same. And if you subtract all of that number, you get 0. Okay. I want to make sure that they're not all in a certain order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. So dramatic. All right, here we go. Subtraction. Ready? We're taking away. Ready? Begin. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 8 minus 0 equals 8. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 6 minus 6 equals 0. 7 minus 0 equals 7. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 10 minus 10 equals 0. 9 minus 9 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. That's it. Finished addition, finished subtraction. All that we have left is some coin practice. So to review, penny, 1 cent, penny. Dime, 10 cents, dime. Nickel, 5 cents, nickel. Now, forgot to pull over my quarter. Here's my quarter. Quarter, 25 cents, quarter. I want you to take a look at these two coins right here. This one's a dime, this one's a nickel. Do you notice that they are different? The dime is smaller, even though it's a magnet, it's still smaller. And they have completely different presidents on them. This one is different than this one. You see that? Dime, nickel. Make sure you're paying attention to them when you count them. All righty. Let's jump over and do a word problem. All righty? We're actually going to do it on here so that I can write. All right? Susie wants to buy some candy. She had 2 cents. All right? She had 2 cents. That means she's got pennies. I'm just going to draw. We've done this before. She had 2 cents. I'm also going to put it at the beginning of the equation. You might want to follow along to write some equations. She had 2 cents. Her mother gave her 3 cents more. I've already put on here that this is an addition problem, the plus sign. Her mother gave her 3 cents more. 1, 2, 3. 3. 2 plus 3 equals, we know that one, 5. All right, so there's our equation. She has 2 cents. She gets 3 cents more. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's do another one. Jason had 3 pennies to buy a pencil. I'm putting what I know. I can also draw it out. 1, 2, 3. His brother gave him 3 more pennies. 1, 2, 3. How many pennies does Jason have now? 3 plus 3 equals, we just practiced them. Did you say 6? I really, really hope you said 6, because 3 plus 3 does equal 6. See that? Good. 2 more. Kelly had, oh my goodness, Kelly had a nickel saved in her bank. Boys and girls, how many cents is a nickel worth? I know it's small, but how many cents is a nickel worth? I'm going to draw a circle here that has a 5 in there because a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents. We're talking how many cents does she have now? Not how many coins, how many cents. Kelly had a nickel saved in her bank. She found 1 penny under her bed and put it in her bank. How many cents does she have now? Going back, Kelly had a nickel. That's why I put 5. A nickel is worth 5 cents. The question asks us, how many cents does she have? Kelly had a nickel. And then she found a penny under her bed. A penny is worth 1 cent. So let's add 1 cent to it. 5 cents plus 1 cent equals 6 cents. Boys and girls, this is big kid math. This might be a little bit tough, but if we work through how we do it, then this is going to become easy and you will be able to add more money values. Let's do one more. Let me read the whole thing and then we'll do it. Anne had 1 nickel and her mother gave her 2 cents. Now, how much money does Anne have? All right. She starts with 1 nickel. 1 nickel. How much is a nickel worth? Nickel, 5 cents. 5 cents nickel. I know it's small. Nickel, 5 cents. So I'm putting that 5 there just as a reminder. There's my nickel. And her mother gave her 2 more cents. Is that going to be another nickel? No. What coin should that be? I think you're thinking what I'm thinking, but tell me anyway. I really, really hope you said penny. It should be 2 pennies. So we're going to do this and this because there is no other coin that we have learned that is worth 2 cents. All right, so we have a 5 cent nickel and 2 1-cent pennies because this is what Anne had, a nickel, and these 2 right here are what Mom gave her. All right, so I'm going to erase that part, and then let's make an equation. All right, so we're going to start right here with our nickel and then keep counting on. 5, 6, 7 cents. Okay, so let's do our equation. 5 plus 2 equals 7. How much money does Anne have now? 7 cents. All right, people, I know that this is big kid math. I already said that. I know that this is big kid math, but we're working through it together. We've done a lot of easy math, and now it's time that we get a little teeny bit harder, but the more practice we do, the easier it gets. Trust me. The last thing you need is Numbers page 122. It's on the back side of 121 that we completed last week. Section 1, add them up. You can do that on your own. Section 2, match the coins with what they will buy. Please be careful of the coins. Determine which coin it is, then count by that number. Once you finish counting by that number, you should see a fruit on the side with a tag that says how many cents. Section 3, subtract. All right, now for today, there is a writing numbers paper. I'm going to make this one optional. I'm showing you because you should have it. Page 77. Optional. If Mommy asks you to do it, do the front side. If she gives you the option, you can take a break today if you want to. Your choice. Other than that, that's all I have from math. Keep counting, keep doing your very best. Mwah! I love you.